In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a message in Slack. Whether you're new to Slack or just need a quick refresher, pinning messages is a great way to keep important information easily accessible for everyone in your channel. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to open Slack either through your browser or the Slack desktop application. Once you're on Slack's homepage, go ahead and log in. You can do this using your email address or by taking advantage of the convenient options like logging in with Google or Apple credentials. If you're using a shared device, do ensure you enter your login details securely to protect your privacy. After logging in, you'll see your list of workspaces on the left side of the interface. Click on the specific workspace where you'd like to perform your task. Workspaces in Slack are essentially separate areas for different projects or companies, so make sure you're in the right one. Selecting the correct workspace will update your view with relevant channels and messages. Next, from your workspace, locate and click on the channel that contains the message you want to pin. Channels are the cornerstone of Slack's communication system, functioning as dynamic spaces for real-time conversation. Once you're in the right channel, take a moment to scan through the recent messages. Find the message that holds significant information or is frequently referenced, the one you intend to pin. With the message in sight, direct your attention to the right end of the message box. Here, you'll find an ellipsis or three-dot icon. Clicking this icon will bring up a menu sprinkled with a variety of actions you can take with the message. These options allow you to do things like mark as unread, reply in a thread, or even delete the message if needed. What we're focused on here, though, is the Pin to Channel option. This action anchors the specific message to a place where it can be quickly accessed from the top of the channel's message pane. From among the options presented in the drop-down menu, select Pin to Channel. Upon doing this, the message will be highlighted, and a small notification will typically appear, confirming your action. Pinned messages in Slack are visible to everyone in the channel, making them ideal for holding key points, links, or ongoing tasks that everyone should be aware of. And don't worry, this process isn't permanent. If priorities shift, you can unpin messages just as easily by returning to the ellipsis menu and selecting Unpin from Channel. So, there you have it. A simple yet effective way to manage essential communications using Slack's pinning feature. By the end of this guide, you should feel confident in keeping your team on track and well informed. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore more tips to make the most out of Slack.